My Kenmore clothes washer stops and the error codes E2 and F6 appear.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. I'm Paddy and I will be your technician. The F6E2 error code relates to an issue with the control unit, user interface or wiring connections. Firstly, try to reset the appliance by switching off the washer by removing the plug from the socket, wait 5 minutes, then plug back in. If the error code is still displayed, you will need an engineer to test the connections between the control board and the keypad and the control board itself. I hope this helps. Paddy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.